Welcome back again to Ram's tutorial. So this morning guys, we're going to discuss how to factor x squared minus 49 completely. This is a polynomial. Welcome to Ram's tutorial educational. Kapag bago pa kayo dito guys sa YouTube channel ko, please do subscribe so that you will know our new video tutorial. So today, let us start how to factor x squared minus 49. Kung paano natin siya i-factor po ng kompleto. Let's start with, we're going to take the principal of the square roots of the two squares. So let us rewrite. Sulat ko ulit ang x squared minus 49. Andito po si 49. Yan. Okay? Andyan po si 49. Now, si 49, kukunin natin ang square root ni x squared, this one. So, lalagyan ko lang po siya ng ganito guys, so that ma-emphasize natin kung ano yung kinukuha ko na square root ni x squared. So, I'll just down here, I put an arrow, lagyan ko ng arrow, ilalagay ko po ang square root ni x squared, which is x. Now, ano po yung sunod na gagawin natin? Yung si 49 naman po. Okay, the next number is the 49. We're going to find out the square root of 49. What is the square root of 49? The square root of 49 is 7. Because when you multiplied 7 times 7, the answer is 49. X squared, the square root of x squared is x. Because when you multiplied it twice, the answer is x times x is x squared. This is what we call step 1 or unang step po. Okay? So, factor x squared minus 49 completely po para ma-kompleto natin siya. Next, we're going to proceed to step 2. Sa pangalawa po, we form the two binomial factors by using the square roots. So, one factor is, ito po yung unang factor na, guys, is what you call, one factor is the sum. So, addition, meaning to say, then other factor is the difference of the square roots, which is minus sign. So, I will show you this step 2 class. Kung paano natin gagawin sa step 2 po. So, sabi ko kanina, yung other factor nito, gagawin natin siyang one factor is the sum. So, I'm going to write here, x plus 7. So, wag natin kakalimutan, lagyan natin ng close and open parenthesis po. Yung kanina po, itong dito sa 49, one factor is the difference of the square roots, which is we're going to write, so don't forget to write open and close parenthesis, x minus 7. Ito po yung one other factor, which is the difference, and one other factor is the sum, which is x plus 7 times x minus 7. Okay? So therefore, x squared minus 49 is equal to x plus 7 times x minus 7. Ito na po yung answer po natin. This will be our answer for factoring x squared minus 49. Okay? So, nasusundan nyo po. Thank you again for watching Ram's tutorial. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you for patronizing Ram's tutorial. Bye-bye!